guys, today we're making Times Square again. Yay! So this is my new one. My one is later, but I kind of disordered. The day wasn't done yet. I need some help with it, but this is just one. So okay, I'm gonna stop yamming and let's make the banana scene first. And plus frames. Oops. The materials you need are white concrete, black wool, yellow concrete,
Pakipaliwanag nga po, sir, bakit nga ba nagkaroon ng unutilized
blue concrete, white concrete, and that's all that. Okay, let's start with class. A 4, go up 1, a 2, and a 1. Let's fill this in. Actually, I'm not doing first. Now make a 2, a 1, another 1, a 2, another 2, a 2, a 4, and a 1, a 3, and a 1, and a and just fill this with black wool. Yep, all of them are years, decades, and centuries to fill up. Sorry, and my papers.
And because of this excess funds sa PhilHealth,
no more lapping again. Make a 3, a 1, another 1, a 2,
kahit wala pa itong sinasabing pagbabalik ng 60
a 2, and 2, and go down 1. Make a 3, or go make this weird shape like this. Make this and just reduce it or just
para mas maging fast and convenient ang ating serbisyo sa ating mga membro using our current
now a 1
funding or current
reducing make a 2, a 1, a 2, a 1,
okay, at
3, a 1,
ang mga mamamayan ay nagbabantay sa kung saan napupunta ang kanilang
make a 3,
at hindi na bago sa
with
PhilHealth yung mga anomalya rin
and
ang sabing sindikato po sa loob ninyo. Ano ho ang safeguards na ginagawa na ng PhilHealth ngayon para maprotektahan po ang pondo namin at hindi
and the member system.
nasasangkot na
See you in the first video and bye.